Dear students of 12th standard, very pleasant morning. Once again, welcome back to the zoology class. We are discussing chapter number 2, human reproduction. Today, in this session, we are going to learn what is menstrual cycle and how it happens in a female. Now, let us see what is a menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle or ovarian cycle occurs approximately once in every 28 or 29 days during the reproductive life of the female from menarche to menopause. What is menarche? It is the first menstrual cycle, that is a puberty period. What is menopause? When the menstrual cycle stops once for all, that period is called menopause. You got it? So, menstrual cycle occurs from menarche to menopause, but menstrual cycle will not take place during the pregnancy period. The cyclic events starting from one menstrual period till the next one is called the menstrual cycle. During the menstrual cycle, changes occurs in the endometrium every month. What is endometrium? The inner wall of the uterus is called endometrium. Okay, so during menstrual cycle, changes occurs in the endometrium. Cyclic menstruation is an indicator of normal reproductive phase. The menstrual cycle comprises of 4 phases. What are they? They are menstrual phase, follicular or proliferative phase, ovulatory phase, and luteal or secretory phase. Now let us see one by one what is happening during these phases in the ovary and uterus. So, the first phase of the menstrual cycle is the menstrual phase. The cycle starts with the menstrual phase when menstrual flow occurs and it lasts for 3 to 5 days. Menstrual flow is due to the breakdown of endometrial lining of uterus and its blood vessels. Okay. The menstrual flow is because of the breakdown of endometrial wall as well as the blood vessels. Okay, inside the uterus there are a lot of blood vessels. So because of that, the menstrual flow occurs. This is due to the decline in the level of progesterone and estrogen, the hormones. Okay, the female reproductive hormones. Menstruation occurs only if the released ovum is not fertilized. You got it? When the menstrual cycle occurs, when the ovum is not fertilized. Absence of menstruation may be an indicator of pregnancy. However, it could also be due to stress, hormonal disorder, and anemia. You got it? Let us see the follicular or proliferative phase. The follicular phase extends from the 5th day of the cycle until the time of ovulation. During this phase, the primary follicle in the ovary grows to become a fully matured Graafian follicle and simultaneously the endometrium regenerates through proliferation. These changes in the ovary and the uterus are induced by the secretion of gonadotropins like FSH and LH. These hormones increase gradually during the follicular phase. It stimulates the follicular development and secretion of estrogen by the follicle cells. Now let us see the ovulatory phase, the third phase. During this phase, both LH and FSH attain peak level in the middle of the cycle, that is about 14th day of the cycle. Maximum secretion of LH during the mid-cycle is known as LH surge, which induces the rupture of the Graafian follicle and the release of the ovum from the ovarian wall. This process is known as ovulation. Now let us see the luteal or secretory phase. This is the last phase of the menstrual cycle. During luteal phase, the remaining part of the Graafian follicle is transformed into a transitory endocrine gland called corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes a large amount of progesterone and estrogen, which is essential for the maintenance of the endometrium. If fertilization takes place, it paves way for the implantation of the fertilized ovum. The uterine wall secretes nutritious fluid in the uterus for the fetus. During pregnancy, all events of menstrual cycle stops and there is no menstruation. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates completely and leaves a scar tissue called corpus albicans. It also initiates the disintegration of the endometrium, leads to menstruation, marking the next cycle. Thank you.